I'm going to give you some passive income options inside of the Web3 space, guys. Before I do, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's run the program. Okay, so the first one, guys, is Helium. If you don't know what Helium is, you are missing out. Helium is an incredible way that you can become one of them, what they call miners in the crypto space, and actually start making some money. So the Helium network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure. Now you can mine this and use it. Like I said, okay, there's over 974,257 total hotspots, 160 million plus in circulation, guys. The HNT network is massive, okay? They've got news all the time. But guys, the basics of this, if you want to mine, you can build a future of wireless mining, deploying a Helium hotspot in your home, office, or anywhere in the wild. You can provide your town with wireless network coverage for low-power Internet of Things or cellular devices and earn Helium tokens. Very, very cool. I actually have one of these myself, and I use it every single day. It's just constantly running. Guys, now what I want to do is jump over to another project that has incredible trading strategies. I want to show you this, and I want to show you my transparent account to show you how incredible this is right now before we move on to the third one. So I want to talk to you about Inside Options, okay? This is an SPX program where it simplifies trading for the experienced and novice traders by doing the work for you. Inside Options is absolutely fantastic, and the reason I wanted to bring it up is because have you ever seen the film 21, starring Kevin Spacey, Jim Sturgis, guys, where a lot of our MIT students go and play blackjack and they count cards and they make a lot of money? Well, we figured out how to use this as a strategy, okay? Instead of just saying there's low cards on the table, there must be high cards in the deck, we compare that to trading strategies, and it's actually working very well. And guys, the promise is if they do not return your initial investment straight away, okay, on your membership over 45 days, you'll get 100% money back guarantee. Guys, that is a no-brainer to me. And I want to show you some of the results so far on the account management side of mine, okay? Now, guys, just to show you these are real results, I'm going to refresh the page so you can see this is actually my account. This isn't a picture or a screenshot I took off someone, okay? You can see it's the exact same results, and there you go, to show full transparency. Okay, guys, it's really, really cool. So all the way from July, I'm going to show you the report right now so you can actually see the growth of what we've done. So let me get the PDF for you, so you can see with your own eyes. I don't want you to think that I'm just bringing this up and pretending that I use it. Okay, guys, this is really, really well. So you can see full reports of the growth. I'm about 110% of growth on this, okay? Incredible. 107.64. We've got 19.3% of the month, guys. This is something you can't find anywhere. Real wins that people are showing every single day just by using Inside Options, the strategies inside. I couldn't make 10,000 people up and start showing you all these real reviews, all right? So make sure you come. Once you come inside, come and look at the win section. You'll see these people are making actual money just like myself. So guys, if you want to get involved with that, hit the link down below. Now moving on back to Helium. Guys, once people get more Heliums around your area, you will earn a less. So what you should do is come on here and see who uses Helium with this top bit, okay? Find out who is actually using it in your area, because if there is no one, guys, you could be in for some serious money. Second passive income, guys, is the DIMO zone, okay? Link again is down below. Now, this is an open and user-owned network that empowers people to have better relationships with technology. It's very, very cool. Their mission is to empower rather than confusing or limiting, okay? They don't want you to come in here and think, oh my God, this is too much for me. They want you to come in and think, I can get involved in something like this. Apps and connecting devices should be served for people first instead of corporations, and developers should be empowered to build useful tools in the real world. Now, to use this network, okay, you've got drivers and fleets, a bit like Uber. You can put your data to work and get rewarded. It's an open and user-owned network. This means that the business uses your data, you save time and money while earning rewards. Very, very cool. Developers can integrate vehicle data into your product with less effort, so any car connected with DIMO has a digital twin with its verified history attached, and the data is shared with users of your app data. Guys, you can explore the whole ecosystem behind this, right? They've got an app, they've got the rewards, they've got the ecosystem. You can earn a lot of money inside of this just simply by doing what you would do in a normal daily routine. Okay, so if you want to join this movement, okay, enterprise and developers, you can get involved. You see some of the massive, massive partners they've got already. 10net, okay, everybody knows these. They're already in. Smart Car is absolutely fantastic vehicle genius. So the ecosystem is building very, very big. But guys, now I want to quickly tell you about something that is changing everybody's life. Now back to another passive income way, okay, it is Deeper Network. The link is down below. This is your Web3 space, Deeper Network, the infrastructure of the user, by the users. Guess what? For the users. Okay, it's very, very cool. So they have the product, which is the world's thinnest, lightest, smallest, yet the most powerful 6-in-1 hardware. The ecosystem with a Web3 infrastructure and ecosystem that accommodates billions, now not millions, not thousands, billions of users, okay? Now, earning, mining, and surfing the web, you get rewards so you can make some money, and you can join them today. Very, very easy, and participate in the Web3. Guys, there's over 150,000 nodes worldwide, selling products to 150 plus countries, and 100 million threats have been prevented. So what an incredible thing. You can see how thin this is, how cool it is, okay? You get the Deeper Connect, or you can get the mini set as well. Guys, it is literally the most incredible VPN you could ever find on the network, okay? So guys, you can earn money just by using this inside of the ecosystem. Super, super easy to earn, okay? Share with unused bandwidth to earn DPR rewards and exchange them for services in the deeper network ecosystem. Easily mine crypto and receive these just by participating. So guys, what a unique way to get a passive income. There's my ways to make a passive income, guys. If you are sleeping on passive incomes of 2024, there's something wrong with you, okay? You should be able to go to sleep, wake up, and see money coming into your account just from you sleeping. This is what I'm going to try and do, is get you some more projects like this, as well as crypto projects. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next video I've got, and I'll see you next time.